नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं फोन गेमिंग। चाइनीज कंपनी आईकू ने पिछले साल भारतीय बाजार में एंट्री करने के बाद इस साल 26 अप्रैल को भारतीय बाजार में अपने नए मिड प्रीमियम स्मार्टफोन सीरीज के 2 नए स्मार्टफोन को लॉन्च किया। आईकू इंडिया के मार्केटिंग डायरेक्टर गगन अरोड़ा, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर राघव मेहरा और शंकर सिंह चौहान ने आईकू 7 और आईकू 7 लेजेंड स्मार्टफोन को एक ऑनलाइन लॉन्चिंग इवेंट के जरिए पेश किया। इस स्मार्टफोन की प्री बुकिंग 1 मई से और बिक्री 10 मई से शुरू होगी। आईकू इंडिया के इस लॉन्चिंग इवेंट में कंपनी द्वारा इन दोनों स्मार्टफोन की स्पेसिफिकेशंस, कीमत और ऑफर्स के साथ अन्य ज़रूरी जानकारियों के बारे में जो कुछ भी बताया गया उसे जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone. Performance is paramount for us. Fastest Snapdragon processor, fastest type of RAM, highest UFS standard, and many more. Today, we are bringing you two models under the iQOO 7 series, the iQOO 7 Legend and the iQOO 7. With iQOO 7 series, we have razor-sharp focus on extreme performance and supremely immersive gaming experience. iQOO 7 series will set the benchmark of performance. And extreme performance is not complete until there is a flagship camera. And iQOO 7 will offer one of the best flagship camera experience, presenting our latest innovation, dual chip. We are very excited to tell you more about this innovation. So without any further delay, let's take you through the product features. May I welcome our product manager, Raghav Mehra, on stage.
Hello everyone. Nowadays, it's not only about winning, it's also about enjoying the journey. And therefore, iQOO 7 brings you the dual chip monster. One for performance, one for display. iQOO 7 comes with the super efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. iQOO 7 is also equipped with UFS 3.1. However, in addition to improving the storage hardware, we have also fine-tuned in every technical aspect that can be improved based on the new multi-turbo to boost the overall performance from the core of iQOO 7. iQOO 7 comes with an extended RAM feature which enables users to use part of ROM memory as extra RAM. To simply put, the performance of an 8GB RAM works as 11GB RAM, and similarly, 12GB RAM works as 15GB. This ensures smoother and lag-free experience while using multiple applications. iQOO 7 introduces Super System Process, which separates apps as frequent and non-frequent apps, ensuring app optimization. This keeps the storage room in the background cleaner and the overall experience more efficient. The iQOO 7 comes with 66-watt flash charge technology, ensuring a complete 0 to 100% charge in just 30 minutes. We also got a huge 4400 mAh battery, so every one of you can immerse in your task without worrying about the battery drainage. We designed iQOO 7 with 120Hz AMOLED display for smoother and immersive visual experience. Talking about the other parameters of display, iQOO 7 has 1300 nit peak brightness and 60:1 color contrast ratio to make the screen brighter and more colorful. To summarize the extreme performance of iQOO 7, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G mobile platform with enhanced UFS 3.1, extended RAM, super system process, 66-watt flash charge, and 120Hz AMOLED display. Another most important aspect of iQOO 7 is Ultra Gaming to help you increase winning possibility thanks to its intelligent display chip. We use this intelligent display chip for MEMC, that is motion estimation, motion compensation technology, and fill the gap with more frames. This increases the game from a common 60 FPS to 90 or even up to 120 FPS. This is how we experience the exponential increase of game FPS through game frame rate interpolation. The intelligent display chip works as a separate graphic chip from the GPU. Traditionally, every frame of a mobile picture is rendered by the GPU. So the load of GPU increases while playing high frame rate games and the phone heats up, which is the main reason for frames to drop. With an intelligent display chip, the GPU only renders a part of frame and leaves the rest to work to this chip. When playing 90 FPS, the GPU and intelligent display chip share the work and reduce the temperature and power consumption by 11% and 45% respectively. This keeps your game at a high frame rate for longer and more stable at 90 FPS. Moving forward, we have also developed all HDR gaming feature with this intelligent display chip to make frame by frame color analysis of what is displayed. It upgrades the graphics from ordinary HDR to high quality graphics similar to HDR, so that the colors of the game are brighter and the contrast is natural. With super touch acceleration, we have achieved a touch sampling rate of 300 Hz and an instant touch sampling of 1000 Hz. It can give you the fastest touch response of 5.8 milliseconds while gaming. The iQOO 7 can give you a boost at the most critical moments. We added linear motor in iQOO 7. Compared to a conventional rotor motor, the linear motor responds faster and has stronger vibration. iQOO 7 introduces 4D game vibration. With this, your gaming experience will come alive. Added with the surround sound, thanks to a dual speaker, your gaming will be much more enjoyable. It has received Sony's high-res certification, which means you can enjoy sound of high fidelity whether you play with or without headsets. To summarize the ultra gaming experience, we have intelligent display chip, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, 4D game vibration with linear motor, and surround sound with dual speaker. iQOO 7 has a triple rear camera system, the 48MP main camera that uses Sony IMX598 sensor along with optical image stabilization. With the OIS, the quality of motion and long exposure images significantly improved at night, resulting in clearer images. The 13MP wide-angle camera will make sure you capture more with 120-degree FOV and 2.5cm macro shot to bring out the tiniest detail. And the mono camera that can make the portrait shot more artistic, for example, the black and white. With these, the iQOO 7 camera will stand out with the camera features like Ultra Stable Mode to give you the ultimate stability while taking videos and you don't have to worry about unsteady hands while capturing. We have used OIS to further improve stabilization, reduce exposure time, and solve the blurred image issue, presenting the Pro Sports mode. Wonderful image movements like these will never miss again. OIS support and motion deblur algorithm together make your motion shots more detailed and clear. Pixel Shift Ultra HD imaging can replace the traditional demosaiking process. With the traditional technology, 2/3 of pixel information is obtained by the reconstruction and speculation, while Pixel Shift Ultra HD imaging can obtain almost information accurately. Each pixel has more accurate RGB information, more details, and less moire and foils colors. New noise reduction model for extremely dark environments. The AI noise reduction algorithm has been further improved by increasing the ISO 3 times. To summarize the camera bit, we have 48MP OIS main camera, Ultra Stable Mode, Pro Sport Mode, Pixel Shift Ultra HD imaging, and Extreme Night Vision. iQOO 7 will be available in two striking colors, the Storm Black and the Solid Ice Blue. To summarize, it has latest Snapdragon 870 processor, intelligent display chip, 66-watt flash charge technology, and flagship level 48MP main camera with OIS. But before we reveal the price of iQOO 7, let me call Shankar on stage to introduce the legend.
Hi everyone, my name is Shankar Singh, Product Manager iQOO India, the iQOO 7 Legend. And to justify its name, it has many legendary features preloaded in it. Starting from the design, we chose the cutting-edge design with marine aluminium to make the premium and iconic appearance, delivering precise, delicate, and efficient visual sense. The iconic tricolor and the element from the racetrack are demonstrated on the back of this design marvel, integrated with a slogan called Fascination Meets Innovation. The pure white matte surface and the spatial twill textures used in the part of AG matte glass comes with 3D visual effect and the brand new touch feeling. The three color texture are further enhanced to the visual effect of dynamic running light and create a strong sense of speed. The operating memory of iQOO 7 Legend has also been upgraded to the enhanced version of LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. The flash charge of iQOO 7 Legend is the fastest one in India to charge 100% in just 22 minutes. iQOO 7 Legend also has surround sound with dual speakers, along with hi-fi chip, provides the incredible listening experience. And the 4D game vibration with dual linear motors on the left and the right to make the game vibrations more dynamic and powerful. iQOO 7 Legend comes with triple rear camera setup. The main camera is 48 megapixel with OIS, supported by Sony IMX598 sensor to provide the ultra clear photos, together with 13 megapixel wide angle and macro lens that will further enhance your photography experience. iQOO 7 Legend also has dedicated 13 megapixel 50mm professional portrait lens to capture amazing portrait shots. Now, to summarize the Legend, it has legendary racetrack design, true flagship 888 processor, 66-watt flash charge technology, in-display monster touch for seamless gaming experience, the 48 megapixel main camera with OIS.
Wow! Two devices in the iQOO 7 series, both powerhouses in their own segment. Let's reveal the price of these two monsters. The iQOO 7 will be available in 3 variants. The iQOO 7 Legend will be available in 2 variants, and here are the prices. Both the devices will be available on iQOO.com and Amazon with pre-orders starting from 1st May. And we are also happy to announce that all iQOO devices are made in India at our shared manufacturing facility with Vivo in Greater Noida. For after-sales service, all the iQOO users will be able to get their devices taken care of at select Vivo service centers so that one does not have to travel too long to get their devices repaired if the situation ever arises. Thank you for joining us for the launch today. I hope to see you very soon.